Welcome to Mosaic Arts Online. I'm Kenny Blaine, and I'm thrilled to have you join me in exploring the beautiful art of sea glass mosaics. Living in a small resort town in Puerto Rico, I'm lucky to regularly comb our coastline for an abundance of sea glass. From the common whites, greens, and browns to the rare yellows, pinks, and blues, each piece tells a story, and I can't wait to show you how to bring those stories to life in your own mosaic creations. In this course, I'll guide you step by step through the process of creating a stunning sea glass mosaic, perfect for beginners, mosaic artists new to working with sea glass, or anyone looking to expand their mosaic art skills. We'll start with the basics. I'll teach you how to sort your glass by size, color, and shape for efficiency in creating, how to select complementary colors for your palette, and which tools and adhesives I personally recommend for the best results. Once you have your sea glass pieces ready, we'll dive into the creation of a beautiful sea turtle mosaic. I'll demonstrate how to transfer your design to the substrate and how to use thin set mortar to adhere your sea glass using the piping bag method. No cutting required. I'll be working in an easy frame, but you are welcome to use any type of substrate that fits your style. Grouting can seem tricky, especially when working with delicate and porous materials like sea glass. But don't worry, I'll walk you through my tried and true methods for successful grouting, helping you achieve a smooth, polished finish that enhances your mosaic. By the end of this course, you'll not only have created a beautiful sea glass mosaic, but also gained the skills and confidence to take on more ambitious projects in the future. Let's get started on this creative journey together. Creating art from nature's treasures is both rewarding and inspiring. I have included a PDF for download of all the tools, materials, and resources. I also share my favorite vendors for purchasing sea glass if you do not live near any beaches or have access to sea glass. So let's get creating.
Kenny, thank you so much for coming to Mosaic Arts Online. We are thrilled to have you here and now this course.
Thank you, Tammy. It is so great to be here.
I'm so glad. So before we dive into the course and talking about that, can you tell me a little bit about how you got started in mosaic art?
Yeah, so I've collected sea glass ever since I was a child, and I've collected such an abundance of it that I wanted to learn how to create with it, and mosaics was the perfect medium.
Well, it's great, and I love that you have kind of become the expert on this.
Thank you.
So as a mosaic artist and someone that's been creating for a long time, there's a certain tool that we don't see here on the table, and that would be wheeled nippers. So can you talk a little bit about how you do create these pieces of art without using nippers or no cutting?
Absolutely. So in sea glass, the cutting really has already been done. As you can see, any glass objects that end up in the ocean get tossed around in the waves and the rocks, and they are broken and cracked up for you. And so we have all of these perfectly beautiful pieces of tesserae in front of us, and we rarely even have to cut a piece. They all fit together nicely as you arrange them in your mosaic.
Well, and it's really great because there is an abundance of it here. So it's just finding that right piece, and you really guide students on how to make this beautiful turtle. And you can make anything you want in this course, but follow Kenny in making this turtle, and the sky is the limit.
That's right.
But this course is designed for someone new to mosaic art or new to sea glass, but can any level of artist do this?
Yes, this is great for all levels of artists, especially those that have sea glass or that want to purchase some sea glass and try using it for the first time in their mosaics. It's a wonderful course and a gateway course for exploring the art of working with sea glass and mosaics.
And so you do have, speak of gateway, the second course that is your 2.0. That's a little bit more into ondimento, tinting your thin set. So if they want to take this course and then move on to the next one, this is a great way to do it.
This is perfect.
So is there anything else you want to add?
I think that is just about it, Tammy.
Well, thank you so much for bringing this to Mosaic Arts Online, and we cannot wait to see what you create.
Thank you.